Meetings at the Parliamentary Hall over the high interest rates that have made traders threaten to strike this Wednesday. The meeting was convened to find a solution to resolve the crisis. The meeting brought together stakeholders that include bankers, the private sector, teachers and the Insurance Association. But the Bank of Uganda governor still stood his ground, noting that they wouldn't reduce the interest rates, stressing that it was the current inflation that had led to the current crisis.
What that is the indicators are all indicating that way. I cannot commit myself, of course. I cannot say I will definitely do this next month. Otherwise, the market will go ahead and interpret me and go ahead and do what they want.
It's at this point that the Kampala City Traders Association chairman, Avert, argued that the strike would continue if no solution was got by the end of the day.
And it is solutions which we are looking to today. Otherwise, again, there is no way we can go back. With a lot of explanations, be good as it may stand, but again, our business community.
And lawmakers were quick to rally behind KACITA, arguing that most of the loans that were acquired earlier, the interest rates shouldn't have been increased to over 30%.
In mortgage, I've been borrowing, I've never got any reward or any interest in these banks and know that they are not repatriating that profit abroad. Do you have regulatory measures that is saying, you people, if you have made this, let this one stay in the country and repatriate this?
Everybody is saying, let the banks not charge interest on old rates. Or let us have a base rate, when we know that Bank of Uganda cannot fail to intervene when banks are busy increasing rates.
The owners of institutions like solutions. I don't know whether you have any loan in the bank.
One of the stakeholders representing the teachers brought out the plight of the teachers who currently earn 280,000 shillings and at the same time servicing a loan.
But we keep ourselves entering into community services. You get a t-shirt which is free from Red Cross, they give everyone. You join scouting, you get a free t-shirt so that you keep on changing it here and there because you must be smart anyway.
The trade minister's efforts pleading with the traders to avert the strike didn't yield much.
I appeal to you, I appeal to KACITA, I appeal to everybody that we go in for dialogue and consultations because I feel that it is our recommended option.
Even the private sector was behind the traders, but above all they cautioned that the crisis should not be politicized.
Because for us as businessmen, as business associations, we're more concerned about the interests of our members. They want to do business. They want to see their issues raised rather than having people on the streets. And they're never the ones who go on the streets anyway.
The heated debate drew the attention of the leader of government business, the Prime Minister, who walked into the hall during the afternoon session.
We will continue to dialogue with all the stakeholders with a view to finding a solution that takes into account all the interests and the continued growth of the economy.
It was later agreed that the deliberation continue tomorrow after all stakeholders failed to chart a way forward. Maurice Ochol, NTV.